Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Kia Soul Turbo. The car comes with aluminum alloy wheels, fog lights, signal repeaters, and many other features that we're going to talk about. The car also qualifies under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. Check out that program when you come down to drive this Soul. Soul also has a 1.6 liter engine with a turbo and 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's get on the driver's side of the car. Open the door. We have power windows, locks, and mirrors. We have a heated steering wheel, traction control, and some mood lighting, which I'll demonstrate for you. This little Soul only has 25,852 kilometers. Steering wheel has cruise and audio controls and Bluetooth, as well as a few other functions for the car. Inside, Sirius XM radio, 3-month trial subscription is included with the car. The car also has a backup camera, heated cloth seats in the front, auxiliary and USB port, and a couple of 12-volt charging ports down on the bottom. And here's a shot of that mood light. You'll notice it's now purple. It should go to red, then it'll cycle to yellow, then green, and on it will go. Just a nice little feature brought to you by Kia Canada. I also forgot to mention that the car has push-button start. The driver's seat is height adjustable. Notice that beautiful red stitching on the leather bolster material. Going to the back of the car. Rear seats are also a cloth leather mix with red stitching. Those back seats do fold down in a 60-40 configuration, so you can put one or both of them down depending on what you're looking for space. There's a shot of that turbo badging in the rear of the car. Plenty of room for groceries, sports equipment, outdoor gear, anything you need to carry with this little Soul. There'll be room for it in here. This 2018 Kia Soul Turbo is available at West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. Come on down, take the little orange Soul out for a test drive. See how well it fits into your family and see how well your family fits into the car. Best way to make an informed decision about a car is to actually drive it. See how it works for you. Again, that's West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge.